Welcome to Mel Bear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I will show you how to make this very easy color changing tumbler. It just takes mica powder and food coloring to get this very fun effect. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe and please give the video a like if you enjoy the content. Thanks so much for watching. Alright, so today we're going to make another magic potion tumbler, but this one I'm kind of doing it New Year's themed, or what I would think would be New Year's themed. So for this one we're going to need a hollow walled tumbler. I have drilled this out. We're going to need food coloring. I just used plain old clubhouse coloring. I'm going to use it in blue, and we're going to need gold mica powder. So all we're going to do with this one is you're going to put, and you need water, sorry. So we're going to take our water and I'm going to put it into one of these little squeeze bottles. And then we're going to add a bunch of blue food coloring, probably about 8 or 9 drops. And then we're going to add about 6 scoops of the gold mica powder. And you're just going to gently shake that, and this is what you've got. It's a really pretty gold. And then when this settles a bit, it's going to be blue. So I think it's quite pretty. And you're just going to use your squeeze bottle to fill this up until it's full. And then with this one, I'm going to use a furniture bumper and my glue gun to seal it. One thing I did forget is, actually I'll just show you what this looks like. So here's our powder with if you want this to settle slower, add some glue to it. You don't have to add the glue if you don't want to, but you can, and it does make it settle a little slower just because it slows down the flow of the powder. And this is what the tumbler looks like after it's settled for a while. So it's a very beautiful blue, but then you give it a shake, and that's when all the magic happens. And there you go. It's like a different tumbler. It's pretty cool. I have to say I will be making a few more of these. It's a very pretty color. And it does mix the blue up with the mica powder a bit, but it's still very gold until it settles. And if you want this to settle more slowly, add more glue. I put a teeny little bit of glue in here, but not very much. And I did cut this video a little shorter than I normally do. I cut out some of the parts that are kind of repetitive. So if you're new to tumbler making and you're confused, check out some of my earlier videos. They show how to drill the tumbler. They show how to seal the tumblers. So if you have any troubles, or also ask all the questions you want in the comments section. I do try to get back to every single person that comments, so feel free to ask questions. Hope you've enjoyed my little magic potion Happy New Year's tumbler. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe if you like the content. Please give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.